This video shows how the SXT booking module works. To add an appointment, either click anywhere on the calendar or the blue button, and then you can choose the services that you wish to deliver, and then the appointment types and when you would like them released to clients. You can then see the appointments on the calendar and click on each one to see the details. And if a patient calls and you want to book on their behalf, then you click on the blue button, you select the service the client requires. You then choose the day that has appointments, and once you do that and add in a time that works for the client, you can then confirm it and add in their details, and then it's possible to book them in that way. We need to support our digital offer, and what we've done is created dedicated appointments for patients with a proven STI so they can come in for treatment. And the client, when they click on the link, they see days, and then when they choose a specific time, they can then add in their information. And once they've done that and confirm, they then get a message describing that, as well as a text message, and they can click on that link to cancel if they wish. The booked appointments are clearly viewed within SXT, and you can then click on the day view, get the details, and if the patient needs to cancel, you can then confirm that cancellation, and a link goes out to the client, who can then rebook with that same link. The system shows cancellations, and all cancellations are automatically released for other people to book.